We sell crop insurance policies both in Illinois and Indiana. In approximately 5 counties. We're right close to the Illinois and Indiana border. We have approximately 400 growers with additional policies because of landlords and such in both states and in those counties. The main crops that we insure are corn and soybeans, and we also do a little bit of wheat. The insureds in this area, the producers in this area that buy crop insurance, if they did not have that crop insurance policy, they would have problems securing financing. They would have cash flow problems to secure for a crop for next year. The banks are very interested in crop insurance as well, and for them to be able to run their business, to put that safety net in there is very substantial for them, and their primary ability to manage their risk. They're very concerned this year especially to make sure that their policy has the coverage that is going to help replace some of that income that they typically would have gotten from their crop. They're concerned, but I would say also as it relates to their insurance policy, they feel pretty confident that they're going to be able to farm again next year. Most of our farmers in this area have never had a claim of this nature. As an agency, I can say that our typical loss ratios are 1 or 2% in a good year. In a bad year, and this is a devastating year, it might get as high as 40%. Well, all you got to do is be a mathematician, really, to figure out if they would be better off with a claim or better off with their crop. You ask that question of a farmer and they'll laugh at you, at least in this area, because we're blessed with good ground, the ability to grow a good crop, and if they can grow that crop, they're going to get paid far more than they would ever get paid by a crop insurance claim. Their policy, most people forget, will have typically a 20% deductible to it. So how would you like a homeowner's policy with a 20% deductible? These folks take a substantial hit when they do have to turn in a claim. Well, in regards to future cuts in the crop insurance program, I can give you the agent's perspective on that. In the last 18 months, we took a substantial cut in the commissions that were paid. We're in the program enough that it's hard to get out, but I can tell you that there's a lot of agents that considered getting out of the business. We decided to stay in the business, but we did it at a cost. We have offices in small towns in rural Illinois and Indiana, much the size of this, which is a very small office. And because of that, we did have to let go 4 people and close 1 office to be able to afford to stay in the program.